Select the location in your home that will be most convenient and comfortable for taking your daily readings. This area should be free of objects that could cause interference with your electronics system. This might include an electric heating blanket, metal headboard, and other large medical equipment. You will need a flat, supportive surface large enough to comfortably lie down on the system pillow. To unpack, gently place the carrying case upright. Unzip the lid. Remove the system from the case by grasping the built-in handle. Pull the system straight up and out of the case while holding the travel case down with the other hand. Remove the power adapter, cable, and clip from the carrying case. The antenna that will be used to take your reading is contained in the pillow. The thickest part of the pillow will be under your head during the readings. The room will require a power outlet. If you are planning to use your home telephone line, then you will also need access to a telephone jack. The black box is the power adapter. Insert the power cable into the power adapter. Attach the included power cord clip onto the power adapter. Insert the power adapter cable into the connector on the back of the electronics system. Plug the other end of the power cable into the wall electrical outlet. Confirm that the green light on the power adapter illuminates. If not, make sure the power cable is securely inserted into the power adapter.